How's it guys? In today's video we're going to be looking at the font file format for OPF. Otherwise have a quick intro video and then we'll get right into it. So just a reminder, this video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have quite a variety of different softwares we cover, make training videos for, and yeah, we do upload videos daily, so keep an eye. Otherwise, if we head back into the program here. Now, OPF file formats, I must say, just a disclaimer, they are rather rare to find. They it stands for Open Path Fonts. And then what you'll ideally use them for is like more, let's say, if you want something to look like it was actually written by hand. And then the big difference between them and the normal fonts, if we go to preview here, you will notice that they get cut out on a single path, where your average font will make a outline around the actual font. So then, yeah, that is the main one. And like I said, they are very nice for handwritten type fonts. Now, a good place where you can find some of them, some OPF files, if we go to the web browser here, is letteringdelight.com. If we zoom here, see the URL. Now you can find here, they've got packs that they sell, which like this one here. And then it's a bit steep, maybe the price, but if you look at the fonts individually, I mean $1 is really not bad. It's on discount, but still, it's a good price. So if you need one of those fonts, this is one of those places where you can actually find OPF file formats. So just go back to VinylCut here. Yeah, so then yeah, if you want to load it, you know, you can always go, if you want to temporary load it, you go to your library panel here, you go fonts, and then on the far right here you go to that little icon, then you click it and you say load font. Now you will notice here in the bottom that here you have your different font file formats that it can take, and here's OPF. Now not many programs can take this file format, but VinylCut 5 can, so just good to keep that in mind. And yeah, that's the basics on Open Path font file formats. Yeah, quite a tongue twister that. Any case, let's just go to the website quick. So if you go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like this. You'll see we've got quite a range of different software we cover here, so depending on what you guys use in your work environment. We also have a search option on top here to the right, where if you search here, then you can find, you know, you can refine your finds. So if you're looking for anything specific. Otherwise, if you don't find that, you can also go here to request a video training or request a training video. Don't know what's up with my vocabulary today, in any case. And then yeah, so you can click this and request, say what you're looking for, and then we'll make the videos for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.